In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Data Loader in Salesforce. This tool is super handy for importing, exporting, and managing large volumes of data in your Salesforce org. And the installation is quick once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few tips to keep things smooth. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Salesforce Data Loader. You'll see a number of results, but you want the official Salesforce page. Look for a result that clearly points to the Salesforce domain, then click that first official link. This ensures you're getting the most up-to-date and secure version. On the Salesforce page, find and click the Download button. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to choose your operating system or a specific version. Select what matches your computer and confirm the download. Your browser will begin downloading a zip file. If your browser asks for permission to keep or save the file, choose to keep it. Most browsers will place it in your Downloads folder by default. Once the zip file has finished downloading, it's time to extract it. Open your Downloads folder, locate the zip file, and extract it to a folder you can easily find later. On most systems, you can just right-click and choose Extract All. Then pick a location like your desktop or another folder with full permissions. Give the extraction a moment to complete so all files are copied over properly. Open the folder you just extracted and look for a file named install.bat. This is the installer script. Double-click it to run. If your system shows a security or administrator prompt, go ahead and allow it, as this is required to complete the installation. Keep the installer window open and let it run without interruption. It may open additional windows or command prompts briefly as it sets things up behind the scenes. That's normal. When the installer finishes, you're done. The Data Loader application has been installed, along with any components it needs to run. If you ever need to repeat the process, just return to the official Salesforce page, download the latest zip again, and follow the same steps. Download, extract, and run install.bat. That's all there is to it. You searched for Salesforce Data Loader, clicked the official link, downloaded the zip, extracted it, and ran the install file. With that, you're ready for your next steps in managing data in Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you install Data Loader with confidence.